Let's go back to where it all started. The company was started by Ellis Silverman and James Kastner in 1905. The Silverman brothers became the sole owners of the company 30 years later when they bought out the remaining partners. Through their vision, the Saldanha pilchard brand was established in 1942, becoming the first canned pilchards in Southern Africa. 20 years later, Federal Marine was established to sell the industry's canned pilchards when Saldanha, Southern Seas and Marine Products joined Federal Fish Packers. In the early 90s, the Saldanha factory was merged with West Point and Paternoster Visseria to form West Point Processors. 2004 saw the breakup of Federal Marine and the Saldanha Group reclaimed the Saldanha label. Major upgrades to the cannery, fish meal plant and the jetty were undertaken between 2005 and 2013. This paved the way for West Point Processors to receive the HACCP accreditation for health and quality in 2012, as well as the ISO 22000 certification in October 2013, making West Point Processors the first fish processing factory in South Africa to achieve this. Currently, the factory has the production capability of 20 tons of raw fish per hour in the cannery and 50 tons of raw fish per hour in the fish meal plant. The Saldanha product range consists of pilchards in tomato sauce and pilchards in chili sauce. Sardines in vegetable oil, middle cut, and tuna in 5 delicious flavors. Our modern resource harvesting methods comply with government's strict fishing and processing permit requirements to ensure long-term sustainability. Our ISO 22000 accredited processing practices for fish meal and fish oil products are verified through an internationally accredited company to ensure compliance and full traceability of all the products. Our fishing fleet has a daily capacity to deliver 1,500 tons of fish to our fish meal processing plant, while our processing capacity processes up to 100,000 tons of raw material into 20,000 tons of high-quality fish meal and 1,500 tons of omega-3 rich fish oil. West Point Processors operate a modern steam drying facility with a moist heat evaporator plant to process the water phase into soluble proteins, which are added back into the fish meal process. Fish meal and fish oil batches are sampled in storage and identified with a unique product code to ensure complete traceability of the end product. Our focus is to supply fish meal products of high protein value and digestibility, which are low in histamine, total volatile nitrogen, and free fatty acid values. Our production logistics and sales teams are focused to provide our international clients with the best fish meal products and an efficient in-house logistics service. The Saldanha Group is not seen as a business, but rather a family, growing and building a future together.